So we've put a bit of wood there to shore up the wall, make it more secure. Another piece all the way along there, and another one up here. Perfect. And then we'll put that back.
We brought the other saw up.
So now we're measuring where we're going to put the unit on the wall so it's level and central. The centre.
I'm just going to measure this again.
We changed the condensation pipe from the left to the right.
It goes out through that same hole.
We lubricated the plug with a bit of water to get it in properly. Now we're going to insert it over here on this side so that both these pipes go out the same hole. Needs to go in a bit more. Got it? I can't see much. Sort of level. I think the shelf's not level.
What?
Maybe the shelf's not level. It's bending.
Yeah.
Tomorrow's job, I think, goes down there. It's got to drill a hole in the floor, go out there, to the next bit.